Happy St. Patrick's Day. This is my first long form vlog in probably about 3 years, I think. So I'm excited to get back to YouTube and start making some long form videos to go along with the little cute cozy vlogs that I do over on TikTok and Instagram. So if you're from over there, welcome. If you haven't seen me in a while because I haven't been updating this profile, then welcome back. So today I'm just going to do an easy day in the life. I'm going to show you a little bit of what we've been up to. About 2 months ago, I think I mentioned this on TikTok, our kitchen got completely flooded due to a broken pipe, and so we basically had to gut a lot of the kitchen, and we're finishing up on the work in there. I'm hoping that they will be done soon. I'll show you a little bit of what that looks like. And the floor is getting new tiles put in, and the laundry room is a complete mess, but I'm hoping that pretty soon that will start looking back to, or even better than normal. We'll hope for that. But I'll just show you a little bit of what goes on in a day in the life, and I'm excited to be back to YouTube. And over here is where we have a sink that doesn't work. This was the replacement sink that they brought in, but it, as you can tell, they haven't connected the water back yet, and this will be gone soon, I'm hoping. Also have to paint these cabinets. I really miss our kitchen. That was probably one of the main selling points when we bought the house, is I loved the kitchen so much, and so it does make me sad. I know that sounds silly coming in here, because I do love cooking, I love baking, I love doing all of those things that you know that makes home. And when it looks like this, and there's our dryer just randomly in the other room, and we have our we have gates and things set up because our dog is so curious about coming in here. My usual workspace, and it's so dusty. I cannot wait to deep clean because of all the work that they've been doing. It is so incredibly dusty. So I'm excited to get this completed. I'm hoping by the 1st of April that this will be done, and I'm excited to get back to normal, really.
What if he's written mine on my other side, on the inside?
So I had full intentions of doing more in this vlog today, and then it just got too busy. So it is now, it's a little after 6, and I'm so happy that it's still light outside. I love summer, and I love summerween. I know if you follow me on TikTok, you see that I do a lot of summerween videos, and I was going to do a little unboxing here of some things that I think are really cute. And if you love Halloween, if you love summerween, look how cute these little cutouts are. This is Frankenstein, and I got these off, and I got a Nosferatu one here, and then I'm going to open up the one that came today. I love to bake during summerween and Halloween also, and aren't these just these are so cute. So I have my Nosferatu one and my Frankenstein one that I kind of think I want to do like a tart, like a fruit tart of some type this year for summerween, using these. And then of course in the fall, I'm sure I'll just use them for like molds to go on a pie. But this is one I got today, and let's see, it is an Art the Clown mold that I am very excited. I think I'm either going to do cookies, or maybe I'll do another little pie. I tried to make a pie and trace his face out myself last year around Halloween. I'll post a picture over here if I can find it, and it went rough. But I am so happy to just have a mold that will be super easy to use if I decide to make a pie or a fruit tart or something cute for summerween. But I just thought that these were fun and I wanted to share these, and they're on Etsy. If you just search Halloween or horror pie molds, these types will come up. So I wanted to share those, and I am very excited to do more long form vlogs. As you can hear, my dog is barking at something. I think there's someone at the door. But I'm excited to do more long form vlogs, and if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to making more content. And go follow me over on TikTok and Instagram and here.